The child will not stop insisting on tasting this. I keep telling him it's going to be gross, but he does not want to listen. So I'm going to let him find out for himself. Go spit it out. Come on, go to the sink.
This is good, come on.